Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a test call in Microsoft Teams from your user profile. So here I am in my Teams corporate environment. In order to make a test call, what I have to do is just click on my picture in Teams, and then as you can see here I have access to different options, and one of the options is settings. When I click on settings, I'm going to see this pop up where I have different settings I can set up in the Teams desktop client. In this particular demonstration, I'm interested on going to Devices. And here, as you can see, we have available this option on Make a Test Call. What we have to do is just to click on Make a Test Call button. And then the testing is starting. You are going to start listening to locution with the instructions, and then you have to start talking. So the test call feature is able to measure how you talk, if your audio device is okay, and also how is your network and so on. Once you're done, you are going to have a message back. I'm listening to now. I'm listening to myself. This is very weird. Hmm. Yeah, just a second. Okay, so I was listening to the nice voice that Teams provides in when you make a test call. Indeed, what you are doing is just the echo call. As you can see here, in the end, what you are going to have is the results of your test call. Everything is fine in terms of the audio devices being used. So the microphone is fine, the speaker is fine, also the camera and also the network. Of course, if you're not happy with the results, that's not the case. You can always go to device settings, the same thing we did before, and then change. For instance, we can change to another option in terms of audio devices. For instance, using the built-in PC micro and speakers, custom setup, and so on. The same with the camera, and just start another test call. When you are happy, you are done, and then you can just start your meetings or your calls or video calls using Teams. And that's all. So, as I say, this is another way to test how your device is performing when taking part of calls, video calls, or meetings in Microsoft Teams. I hope you have found this video useful. Yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye.